So I check out. There are 2 earrings. There is one missing in the earrings.
Y'all were really the only 2 that were in the store.
Yeah.
I'm not going to ask you any more questions about it because you're in custody, okay? So, are these your items?
Oh, yes.
Public encounter, a voluntary consent, a matching inventory code. At what point does an interaction become a lawful seizure under the 4th Amendment? These are not rhetorical questions. They determine what survives in court.
So where was it stolen?
Here. There's one customer coming. She's standing here for our earrings. And she checked out the earrings. Only one. I asked her if she grabbed 2. And she told me that only one. So I check out. But there are 2 earrings. There is one missing in the earrings.
Okay.
Because
so she paid for one?
While standing here, there's another customer coming. She asked me something. That's why I'm talking to while she's standing here. Then after that, talking to the other customer, she checked out. Mom, are you ready to check out? And she said, yes. While also talking to the other customer, she also come here to look for our bracelet. So there is one bracelet and one earring missing. I don't know if she's the one because while I'm checking in, there is another customer again coming here asking for the ring. Yes. But I think the one who bought the earring is the one who grabbed also the one earring. I'm not sure with this.
Do you have like a log of inventory?
Yes. I count all those around 1:30 and she came here around 2:10 like that. I checked her out 2:30. Let me call my supervisor because she's doing the...
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we talk to you for a second?
Sure.
We just talk over here. Do you know why we're talking to you? Were you in Kate Spade earlier?
I was.
Did you take something that didn't belong to you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, because our cameras tracked it. They said that you may have picked some up that wasn't yours.
I picked something up and I put it back down.
What was it that you picked up?
Some gold earrings.
Okay. Were you at Kate Spade?
He's coming with gold earrings. Was there anything else? A bracelet?
I picked up rings that I wanted to purchase, but they did not have my size.
Okay.
Not a bracelet.
No, I looked at a bracelet, but I put it right back down.
So everything that you picked up, you put back down. You didn't accidentally take anything, or?
No, I was trying to buy a Trinity earring, rings.
What kind of earrings were they?
They were kind of a thick gold cheese.
I think the gold one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, so here's the thing. They're missing a couple of items, and you were in the area. Y'all were really the only 2 that were in the store.
There were 2, yeah.
Okay. Do you mind if we just look through your stuff, make sure you don't have this items?
Sure.
They said it was in her pocket.
Yeah, she said when she's in there, like she put it in her pocket. But they said you went a lot of places since you came from Kate Spade. So.
Yeah, but there's nothing in my pockets.
Okay. It looked like you put something in your pockets in the store. Okay. And
That's why we're talking.
And then you're
Okay.
saying like you're not sure if you put something in there.
I don't know if I had my own earrings on at that point. I put them on at some point.
So you're not sure if you put your own earrings on from when you left Kate Spade to now?
These are mine. They're a different brand.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go through your belongings real quick. Okay. Ma'am, just come on. Step out. Step back. Step back.
Okay.
Come on.
What are you looking for?
I'm pulling out all my money and stuff.
We're not going to take your money.
Hey, we're not going to take
all right.
Just
Go.
leave it.
Go.
We're just going to step over here.
Let's go over there.
Just go over there.
Okay.
Step back.
Yeah, just right over here. It's just some space. That's all.
Okay. All right.
Sharon, go stand over there. Over there.
We are unable to give returns on Kansas right now.
I copy. Where's it at? Okay.
I don't have it.
Okay. What's in the bag that you don't want us to see?
Nothing. I pulled everything out.
Okay. So we're going to look through the bag.
Yeah.
So if it's in there, just tell us. 'Cause if the store gets it back, there's a chance they don't even want to press charges, okay? They might just want their stuff back. But if we got to go run through all these hoops to get to it.
Right. I mean, I have some of those pieces. I buy tons of Kate Spade.
Okay, so you have some Kate Spade in your bag right now, is that what you're saying? But it's not theirs?
I think it's in my main suitcase.
So you think it's in where at in your main suitcase? In the front?
Like your checked bag? Or
no.
My checked bag.
Okay.
Why are you bringing that? Why are you bringing your check bag up right now? We're talking about stuff that could be in this bag, in these bags.
Okay. I mean, I do buy some Kate Spade. I was pricing some of the things.
Do you have any Kate Spade in there right now?
No, I don't believe so.
What? But you do have jewelry in the bag. Is that what you're saying?
I pulled out a small jewelry case that has Kate Spade earrings in them.
Okay. Is that where you were just reaching in your bag?
No, I pulled that. It's a thing that drawstring.
Okay, but other than that, there should be no other jewelry in there.
Not that I'm aware of. I mean, I packed very quickly this morning. I packed all my jewelry, but I don't think there's anything in there.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an obstetrician gynecologist, and I'm working in underserved areas in New Mexico.
Okay.
So I've been down here for a year working.
Okay, so like stealing, that's something be out of the norm for you, right? It wouldn't be something you can. We're in your way, boss. You're fine.
What would be out of the norm?
You taking something that doesn't belong to you?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, so is there anything in the bag that doesn't belong to you?
Everything belongs to me.
Okay. I'm just because we're asking you to step away from the bag and you're reaching in there.
I was
You're
just
acting
trying
out of the
Is
norm.
there a reason why you weren't listening to us when we told you to step back?
No, I was just pulling stuff out.
Okay.
I was trying to get everything that, like, has zippers and things that you could take a look at.
Okay, well, we're more than capable of unzipping a bag or two, okay?
I understand.
All right. Let's hang out with him. Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Can you double check some of those items?
I will. She said it's from a distance, but like she was at the same rack where the lady said someone was missing from.
That's why I told those guys, I'll double check.
Yeah, she says if it's not her, it could be somebody from earlier in the day. What is it that she took?
One was a bracelet.
She's giving us consent.
I don't got the jewelry. I got the.
She's giving us consent to that. We're just trying to see if she has the stuff.
Sharon, come here. Where are they at?
We're just trying to see.
So those I did not buy here. So I had those.
So why would I have the same SKU number, 2299261, KS, look, KS ropes, not PV, KMT, pink. Why? Where are they at? Let's do a lot quicker. You can just tell us where they're at.
All right, I'll tell you. I have the similar things that I picked up, but
Ma'am, the coincidence.
okay. I am happy.
What?
I didn't take them. I have jewelry exactly like what I looked at. I'm happy to give you my set.
Okay, so where's yours at?
Alrighty.
So these I had.
Okay.
But and I did pick those up, and I looked at them to check the price.
And then you left without paying for them.
No, I put them back on the rack, but I don't remember putting them in my purse. I have that same set.
See how this doesn't make sense? You put them back on the rack, but these earrings fell into 5 zippers into your bag?
So I was later I was putting on jewelry, and I put.
Where's the bracelets? They're missing bracelets as well. Where's the bracelet?
Okay, well I priced that same bracelet I purchased this in Lubbock.
That's,
This is,
that's the one they're missing.
okay,
Sharon, let's just be honest, okay? You're a doctor, I'm a police. Just be honest. What happened? If you made a mistake, you made a mistake.
okay.
Just tell us what happened. Be honest.
Just put that I made a mistake.
You made a mistake,
I
and what
own those
happened?
Pieces.
You made a mistake and did what? Did you take something that didn't belong to you?
I didn't think I had, but
You're a grown woman. You're an
I
adult.
will say yes. I'm a grown up. I've been up 36 hours on call.
Okay. We don't need the excuses.
I will just say, I didn't know I was taking them.
You going to Kansas?
Yes.
Wichita, Kansas? All right, turn around. You're under arrest.
Okay. You said you're gonna miss your flight? You're going to jail, Sharon.
Can I pack myself up?
We will do it for
Yeah,
you.
we'll do all that.
Just theft, right? Maybe 5 minutes to get
My computer needs to be packed
everything
up.
that you took. Well, not everything you took.
Do you have to put the cuffs on?
Yes,
You're under arrest.
per policy.
But we can go stand over here.
That's okay. I want to make sure.
Okay,
All right.
you don't get to decide
Okay.
anymore, okay?
Okay. All right.
We're gonna go stand over here.
Am I leaving the airport?
So right now you'll go to the DFW Airport jail to the south of the airport, and then you'll be arraigned from there. Either get your transport, you go to Tarrant County and make bond there.
Okay. So when you told me they wouldn't press charges, that was not true.
Well, I said baby, and then you didn't even give us the stuff back. Like I had to find it, and then you lied until the end.
I found it for you. I was pricing what I have at home or in my big suitcase, and
Okay, well, so let me say. So right now, I'm not going to ask you any more questions about it
Okay.
because you're in custody. Okay, so
Right,
if you
all
want to
right.
talk about it, I'll read you your rights, and we can still talk about it.
that's okay.
Okay.
If y'all want to do that, I'll do the store portion.
Yeah.
And I'll go back.
All right. Come on, walk with me.
Are these your items?
Oh, yes. Where did you get, sir?
From the
Thank
lady.
you. The second lady,
The
sir.
second lady. What the heck is that little tag? Oh,
3 constitutional amendments govern this encounter. 4 Supreme Court decisions control the legal analysis. 1 Penal Code determines the charge. The legal framework spans 3 constitutional amendments, 4 controlling Supreme Court decisions, 1 state penal code, and 1 professional licensing statute. Each applies at a distinct stage. Terry v. Ohio 1968 and Florida v. Bostick 1991. Investigative detention requires specific articulable facts establishing reasonable suspicion. A person is seized only when a reasonable person would no longer feel free to leave. Surveillance footage of concealment in a retail store satisfies both standards. Schneckloth v. Bustamonte 1973. Voluntary consent to search is Fourth Amendment valid without knowledge of the right to refuse. The absence of coercion is the controlling test, not knowledge of alternatives. It's an unqualified verbal agreement to a search request creates legally binding authorization. A stock keeping unit number is an inventory-specific identifier assigned at point of manufacture. An exact SKU match between a missing inventory report and property found on a subject converts the evidentiary basis from inference to direct identification. Illinois v. Wardlow 2000 inconsistent statements and evasive conduct during an investigative stop are legally cognizable facts. Shifting from categorical denial to qualified admission only under direct evidence pressure is not legally neutral. Courts treat that pattern as part of the evidentiary record. Minimization is a court-approved interrogation method. Reducing the apparent severity of admission to encourage disclosure is constitutionally permissible when no definitive false promise is made. Qualified language such as maybe or there is a chance preserves statement admissibility. Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, subsection A, theft requires unlawful appropriation with intent to deprive the owner of property. Texas Penal Code Section 6.02, a genuine mistake of fact negates the required mental state. Intent is not declared. It is reconstructed from prior conduct, concealment, and inconsistency. Miranda v. Arizona 19966. Custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of the right to silence and to counsel. Correct compliance is a two-step sequence. Cease all questioning upon arrest, then offer the advisement before any further questioning begins. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 38.22. Oral custodial statements must be electronically recorded and preceded by statutory warnings. Statements made before formal arrest during a consensual encounter are not subject to this rule. The timing of arrest is therefore a legal boundary for evidentiary admissibility. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not in hindsight. The totality of circumstances known at the moment of decision controls the reasonableness analysis. Texas Penal Code, Section 31.03, subsection E, paragraph 2. Theft valued at $100 to $749 is classified as a Class B misdemeanor. Texas Penal Code, Section 12.22, maximum penalty is 180 days confinement and a $2,000 fine. Fair market value at the time and place of the offense determines the applicable charge level. Texas Occupations Code, Section 164.051 and New Mexico, Statute Section 61615 authorize professional license suspension or revocation proceedings that operate independently of the criminal case disposition. Was the consent freely given or situationally coerced? Does the pattern of denial negate the mistake of fact offense under Section 6.02? Did the minimization language create an implied promise sufficient to challenge admissibility? The arrest produces a charge. The charge opens a proceeding. The proceeding will revisit every legal standard applied here. Whether the outcome reflects those standards has not yet been determined.